How's it going, traders? The TrendSpider Hackathon is here, and you can enter by creating a custom indicator even if you don't know how to code. So over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create an indicator using the AI coding assistant, how you can publish it to the store, and then also submit it to the hackathon so you can compete to win up to $10,000 in prizes. So this is the indicator we're going to build together. It's a basic indicator based on the Ichimoku cloud, and all it does is paints candle cyan when price is trading over a bullish crossover and purple when price is trading under a bearish crossover. So let's start building it by opening the custom indicator editor at the bottom of the platform, clicking new indicator, and then from here we're going to click on the box that says generate a new indicator code using AI. So this AI coding assistant is essentially just an LLM trained specifically to build custom TrendSpider indicators. So all we have to do is just tell the AI exactly what we want the indicator to do. And in this case, to build this Ichimoku cloud one, I'm going to type something like this. Create a custom indicator using the Ichimoku cloud. I want the indicator to paint the candle cyan whenever there is a bullish Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen crossover, i.e. Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, and paint the candles purple when there is a bearish TK cross, i.e. the Tenkan-sen crosses below the Kijun-sen. So the color should persist candle by candle until the opposite crossover occurs. Then I'll click generate code, and the AI coding assistant will go ahead and just build the indicator for us. And once it's done, you can just click accept the code. So now let's just see how it looks on our chart. So looking at it, in this case, it seems to work like it should, but I'm going to use one more prompt to improve it just a little bit more. So I'm going to click on the AI button here again, and in this example, I'm going to make the purple candles a bit lighter, and also I want to make sure that it registers signals so you can use it in the scanner and the strategy tester. So in our next prompt, I'm going to type something like this. Update this indicator so that it keeps all existing functionality, but also registers 2 scanner/strategy signals, a bullish Ichi cross, which is true on the exact bar when the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-sen, and a bearish Ichi cross, which is true on the exact bar when the Tenkan-sen crosses below the Kijun-sen. Also, make the purple candles a lighter shade of purple. Then I'll send this prompt in, and let's give it a few seconds to work. Then we'll accept the code, and let's see what we get back. So clearly we can see that the purple candles are much lighter. And also, if I scroll down to the bottom of the code, we can see it did register the signals properly. So now let's make sure we give it a good name, which you can do at the very top line where it says describe indicator. And so I'll just edit this one to name it Ichimoku TK crossover candle coloring. Then I'm going to save it, and now you're ready to publish it to the store and enter the hackathon. So to go ahead and do both of those, let's start by clicking the share icon, then click publish to the TrendSpider Store. From here, make sure you give your indicator a clear description of what it does, and then be sure to use the hashtag TSBuild25 to submit it to the hackathon. So once it's published for moderation, just fill out the hackathon submission form that you received after you registered. And so once it's published and you filled out the submission form, it's going to be sent to the TrendSpider team for judging. And that's basically it, you guys. You have officially submitted an indicator to the TrendSpider Store and entered the hackathon to potentially win up to $10,000 in cash prizes. So if you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.